make sure that they'll be able to get her out. So what usually happens is that there'll be a candy plug in here that the bees will chew through. They're already starting to build comb around that.
Wow, I saw that. That's incredible.
Yep. So there's a candy plug in here that they will chew through to release her. And it usually takes about 3 days to chew through that. Sometimes it's gone and then or there's a cork in there and I put a little marshmallow in. There we go. Maybe we can get a better picture of her too. Yeah, she looks really nice. You can see she's inside of that cage right there. So her abdomen's going to be much longer than the other bees. She'll come back later and get to see her when she's out. You can really see the queen.
I'm gonna zoom out here so we can get like a big picture of what it looks like.
Yeah. See, they're already going in there to kind of investigate, see what's going on.
This is so cool.